Some of you have asked how I'm doing. I have been continuing on my challenge. I started out 2 months ago with 1 man push-up and pushed myself to do 10. Go ahead and give you an update. It's not that great, so not too impressive, but better. And humiliation is good to keep you humble. So enjoy.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. Come on. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up.